So it turns out that this Redragon Quasar microphone is absolute garbage. I'm going to do a comprehensive review and breakdown on that later, but because that's garbage, I got something else. We're going to see if this Yeti Nano is any better. But first we're going to do a quick unboxing. Well, I would if it would come out easily like it did. Why do you want to break yourself whenever I open you? Either I'm an idiot or boxes hate me. Frankly, it's up in the air. Okay, I had my knife. It went missing, so I tried to use my nails. They didn't work. Frankly, I'm having one of those days where nothing's going as planned, so we're just gonna roll with it. Alright. Paperwork, yada yada yada. Good foam. Ooh, it's blue. Well, I mean, the box shows it's blue. Don't know why I expected it to be black. Alright, there's your USB micro to A adapter. There we go. Alright, this one just feels heavier and higher quality, all things considered. Got a nice little pattern change, so you can change which sensors pick it up, if I remember correctly from looking at it earlier. Little volume control. Stand adapter. Headphones so you can hear yourself in real time through it without having to go through your audio mixer. And for the plug. Looks real nice. And what else do we got in here? We got, oh, nice little adapter to make the stand fit with other types of stands. Well, anyway, that was a quick unboxing of the new Yeti Nano I'm going to be using when I have to record on the road. And I'm going to do a review of that Redragon microphone and probably blow it up or break it apart, and we'll see what's inside of it and why it sucks so bad. This is a test using the Redragon Quasar microphone. The fish was delish and it made quite a dish. Not the worst quality I've ever had, but definitely in the same rank as what I've paid for a $20 headset, and I paid almost $40 for this standalone microphone. This is a test of the blue Yeti Nano under the same conditions with the same interference in the background. As you can tell, there is a noticeable quality uplift, something more in line with what I wanted. I ended up having to pay a little bit more, but that was naivete on my part. However, $40 was still too much for the quality of that Redragon, so we will be getting rid of it in one way or another, possibly destruction. The blue Yeti Nano is now my go-to for on the road, and whenever we go to upgrade and replace John's microphone, we'll either be getting him one of these or the one designed for desktop. Not the Nano, which is designed to be portable and easy for the use case I'm using. If you liked that, please let us know either in the comments or on Twitter. And if you want more videos like that, subscribe. And if you really liked it, hit the like button. Alright, thanks. You guys have a great weekend, or midweek, or whenever. I don't know when this is going up, and I don't honestly know many things. So whatever it is right now, have a good one.